Hey guys, Logan here from Popular Woodworking magazine. Welcome to my shop. For over a decade, I have been hunting out, restoring, using, and selling vintage hand tools. So in this video course, I want to walk you through my process on how I find hand tools, what I look for, and how I restore them. We're going to cover everything from finding and restoring hand planes, to cleaning up chisels and making new handles, and then we're going to touch on molding planes and cover how we clean those up, how we sharpen them, and I'm gonna give you some of my tips and tricks on how I've been able to turn some of these and sell them and pay for some of my nicer, newer tools. Restoring hand tools such as bench planes, chisels, and molding planes is a great way to get high quality tools in your shop. So join me in this online course on what to look for in vintage tools, how to clean them up, and how to put them back to service for another 100 years.